9 o'clock at night, knocking out a quick exhaust manifold, or I should say exhaust manifold. But no, some real shit. How I get these manifolds off is I usually go in and I try to get out whatever bolts I can before I have to break the torch out and cut all the heads off, and then I deal with the studs after. So this is what I got going on right here. So I got 3 of the bottom ones, came right off, no problem. I didn't try any of these studs. There's one that's broken off. Focus. Sorry guys. There's one that's broken off inside the head. So I gotta work my magic on that. You know what, for shits and gigs, let me try on camera. See if just, oh, look at that. You're shitting me. I love it. Let me try the next one. Ready? Oh, dude. Dude. How many of you suckers get that lucky? Eh? Oh, baby. Oh, baby, you're the right one. Update 15 minutes later. I got out that one, that one, that one, and that one. Them two. The top one and that bottom one I'm still working at. 15 minutes. I went across with my little tool, cleaned all the gasket maker off, got the surface all cleaned. And my first nut on that one, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, 20 minutes later, finally got this one that's beyond the head. That was the hardest one. Going on nut number 4. Pause. 10 minutes later, got them all done. Copper anti-seized them all, so that way there, hopefully they don't do this again. Can't guarantee it works, but this is a preventative maintenance that I do every time I do a manifold. So that way there, I know everything is good, and it should come apart if needed to be serviced next time. Now, I do run a tap and tap all the holes to make sure all these holes are clean before I put all the new studs in it. All in all, I'm in this job probably like an hour and a half. By the time I'm done, it'll be about 2 hours. Quickest $200 I ever made. Manifold's all done. Everything's bolted up. Put this inner fender in. Call it a night.